Part E then, given that CD is perpendicular to AB, find the value of the constant K. Here's the points C and D. We know the gradient of AB, and we're told that CD is perpendicular to AB. The gradient AB was -1/2 from the previous part of the question, wasn't it? Let's just go back up to check that that was the case. Gradient -1/2, see it in that line there? So that's the gradient of AB. So we're told that the gradient of CD is perpendicular to -1/2. So it must have a value 2. So here, gradient CD equals increase in y over increase in x. Let's do a little sketch just to make sure we're happy with what we've got. Now we're told the gradient of CD equals 2, because 2 times -1/2 is -1, so that we know that. So C is 6,1 here, right? That's C, and that's the point 6,1. Now K is D is K minus 15, so go along K and down 15. So it would either be here if C is bigger than 6 on that side, or if it's smaller than 6, it'd be over here somewhere, wouldn't it? On to the left of C. So this is K minus 15, and this is K minus 15 as a coordinate. This is when K is that side of 6, and this is when K is bigger than 6. If K were equal to 6, we'd have an infinite gradient, and we haven't got that. Now we're told the gradient is 2, so clearly, since the gradient is 2, since gradient equals of CD rather, sorry, of CD equals 2, we see that K must be less than 6. It must be here because this is a positive gradient. This would produce a negative gradient. K is less than 6 then, so we can draw in the line here, from here down to here, if I can draw it correctly. So the gradient of CD, well, the increase in y would be 6 minus k here, the increase in x. The increase in y, it goes up 16, doesn't it? So 16 over 6 minus k is equal to 2. So let's work that out then. So, whoops. So let's get rid of that there, because it was previous version. So this is an object more than one term, so 16. Move that up to lots of 6 minus k. Okay, so expand the bracket. 16 equals 2 6s are 12 minus 2k. I'm going to move the 2k over there and flip the sign, and it will be 12 can stay where it is, and I'm going to move the 16 over to be with it, minus 16. And that implies then that 2k equals minus 4, and that implies k equals minus 2. And as we said, k is less than 6, and we've got k equals minus 2. So that's part E done. Great.